One of the highest complaints that I hear from you guys is that when you try to upload your book to Amazon KDP, maybe it shows you an error like this, telling you the reason why you have the error. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error, and I'm going to show you how to actually avoid the error in the first place. Hey overcomers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Delphine Tamukong. On this channel, I motivate you and I show you how you can use the talent that God has given you to become the best version of yourself. If you have been following this channel, you will see that I had shown you how to create this cover. So I just took this cover and I uploaded it without looking at the dimensions and without looking at the trim sizes. That is why it has an error like this. And KDP will actually tell you why you have the error. So one of the things that I want you to take note of is that when you come here and you look at it, they will tell you exactly what the error is. For example, it says that I choose this size instead of this size because my book is this size. My book is 6 by 9, but I choose a different size. Also, it tells me that my cover is supposed to be this size, but this is the size that is my cover. So in order for you to be able to fix this problem, you need to come here and copy this size and then go to your Canva and then fix it there before you come and upload. And I'm going to show you how to do this. So another common error that people have is that when you upload your book, even though maybe you have the right size, you have the right trim size, but then it shows you an error like this. It shows you that this object is outside the margin, and so it shows you the pages where this error is found. And so our own book is telling us that it's page 1. Maybe yours can be telling you page 5, page 7, or it can be showing you all the pages in your book, but you use the same procedure to fix it. So if we go to page 1 to see what the error is, they'll actually show you where the error is. So they are telling us that there is an error here, and the reason is because this design that I put here is outside the margin. And so if you look at all the other pages, this is also a book that I had shown you how to make this interior. If you look at all the other pages, everything is fine except for page 1, where I intentionally made this margin to be outside just so that I'll be able to show you the error. So in order for you to even understand how not to have this error in the first place, one of the most important things that you have to know on your KDP journey is that when you are in your KDP, you come to this help, you click here, it's going to show you every information that you need regarding your publishing business. So one of the most important one for us is this one that says book formatting. So it shows you paperback, if you are formatting hard copy, if you are formatting ebook. So let's do paperback, and the same idea applies to whether it's hardcover or ebook. So when we come here, you see set trim sizes. It shows you all the information. Just take your time, go through this page. It is a very important page for you, but I'm going to show you the most important things. So this one is talking about trim size and margin. If you click here, it's going to show you how to set your trim size and your margin. So it comes here and it tells you about bleed and no bleed. So you see how it's telling you that on the left side there is no bleed. No bleed means that nothing is outside this margin, and this side is telling you that there is bleed on this side. On this right side, you see that there is bleed here. This thing has come out of the margin, and is the same thing here, the same information that they are giving you here. So you need to understand whether you are publishing a book that is bleed or a book that is no bleed. That is what will make you to know your trim size. When you come down here, it shows you example of page size with and without bleed. So when we click here, they will give you all this information. So page size without bleed, page size with bleed. So if your book has no bleed, and remember no bleed is this one, so there is no bleed outside of the page, so that is no bleed, then you have to come here. Let's assume that like the book that we are creating is 6 by 9. So we'll come here to where it says 6 by 9, and so the interior of your book, you are just going to put 6 by 9 when it is no bleed. But if you are making a book that is bleed, so you see with bleed, you are going to instant make the size to be like this. And the reason is because when you make a book, when you create a book, right, like they are showing you down here, they are going to trim the book. And if you create your book and then it is with bleed, it means that it bleeds outside and you just put exactly 6 by 9. Then when they trim the book, they are going to trim some of the design that you have put in your book, and so your book is not going to be able to bind well. So when you see this error, actually it is a good sign, because Amazon is telling you that no, we don't want to trim your book, we don't want to destroy part of your book, we don't want to destroy part of your design. So if you are doing a book that is with bleed, you have to make sure that you are looking on this side, and then you put have this information, and this is the information that you are going to use to create your interior. So this page has a lot of details. They will tell you what you have to add on this side, what you have to add on this side, what you have to add on this side. So all that information is here. If you want a detailed video on this, then I'll be able to create that video for you. Let me just know in the comment section down below. So to summarize, if you are creating your book that is no bleed, then these are the sizes. You put exactly the size. For example, our book is 6 by 9. I'm going to put exactly 6 by 9 to create my interior. But if my book has bleed, and then I'm going to use these ones on this side because I'm going to be accounting for the section that has bleed. So now that we are clear with the interior, let us also look at the cover. So what we have to do is that we have to take this value and then go and put in our Canva in order to be able to fix our error. So now that we've understood all the problems, let us now go ahead and fix our error. So the first thing that I want us to do is to come to our book. The way you can fix this, you can just shift it inside like this and eyeball it, you know, and fix it so that it's not outside the margin. You can just fix it like this, and Canva is also going to give you direction on how it should be. So you just fix it like this and everything is going to be perfect. So that's the error. You can just fix this and it will be good. So another thing that I have done is that I've personally created trim sizes for bleed and no bleed for myself that I use on all my books. When I'm publishing my children's book, I just take the template and then I put it here so that it doesn't affect anything. So I've already done those calculations and I have my templates that I just use. So let me show you how I do it. So I'll come here and then I go to where my templates are saved. These are my template, and so our book is 6 by 9 and we are doing the one that is no bleed. So I have bleed and no bleed for all the different sizes. So I'll go here to the one that is no bleed and then I'll just upload it to my Canva. And what I'll do is that I'll just click here and then make sure that it goes outside like this. So at this point I actually know exactly where my design should go, so I can comfortably come now and shift my design. So with this I'll put my design perfectly, and when I'm done I'll just go ahead and delete my template, and I know that my book size is perfect. If you are interested in this template, I'm going to put in the description box down below. It's going to be very helpful for you. And so that is how we can fix this error. Now we've already fixed this one. The next thing that we have to do is just to download, and so you just go ahead and download your book normally as you always do. So for the error that was on our cover, we can just come here and click on Resize. If you don't have the paid subscription, you will not be able to have this function, but I'm also going to show you how you can fix that. And you can use my link and you have 30-day free trial, and when you are done you can unsubscribe. So when we had the error, this is the dimension, these are the values that KDP had told us to put in order to be able to correct our cover. And so now we have it here. You can just come here now and then copy and resize, or you just resize. So I'll click this one. Is the same thing, it will give you the same value. And so KDP now will show us the areas that we have to fix on our cover. So now that we have it like this, we just go ahead and adjust everything that we need to adjust. You just take your time and move things around so that it will fit your cover and make it look perfect. So when you are done, now we are done with our cover, I'll just come here and I'll download. You just download again normally how you normally download your cover. So if you don't have the paid subscription and you want to fix this error, what you have to do is that you just come here to customize, and then you put the sizes of your canvas. You just put the size that you need, and then you create your design. Now you have the exact size. So what you have to do is that you can come to your cover, just highlight everything like this. I've pressed Command A. I'm using a Mac computer. Command A to highlight everything. Then I'll press Command C to copy everything. So what I'll do now is that I'll go to my blank Canva that I just created, and I'll press Command V and I'll paste everything here. This is interesting. It changed the cover completely. Anyway, you can fix it. So you just click here and then you come here, you take black, because my background was black but this one is white, that's why. So I'll just come here and put black. It brings the color back to life. So now you just have to move everything and then fix your cover back, so you now have the exact size. You can now move your things around, and then it is like this. You can still decide to pull this right here and adjust it for everything to fit well. And another thing that you can also do is that you can also put a spine here. Fix your gratitude. Just fix everything. Just fix it like this and everything will fix. So this is how you can fix it. And of course, if you want to put a spine, you can come here and take something like this, and to make things easier for you, you can come here to position, and then you put it in the center. It's going to put it exactly where it's supposed to be. And maybe if we want to change this color, we can just come here and change it to something like this. And so this is our final cover that we have designed. So let's go ahead and download this cover and then upload it to KDP and see how all our errors have been fixed. So we have fixed the error on our interior, and we have also fixed the error on our cover. So I'll come down to KDP and make sure that my trim size is correct, which is 6x9. I make sure that my trim size is correct. I make sure that I'm doing no bleed, because that's what I'm doing. And everything, if everything is okay, I can now come here and upload my new manuscript that I just fixed. Then I also upload my new cover that I just fixed. So then we have to come here. After uploading, we have to come here and do our launch preview again. And now everything is perfect. See, this is a new cover we just made, and we changed the cover like this, and everything is perfect. We corrected the interior, we corrected the cover, and so you can just scroll like this and go ahead and check your book. You see everything is perfect. So if you found any value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and become a part of the Overcoming family. I encourage you to put in the comment section below where you are watching from. This will help me to be able to tailor the videos towards your exact needs. Thank you so much, Overcomers, for watching this video to the end. I will encourage you to click and watch the next video, and I will see you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye bye.
Since we lay down to reflect upon